Sen ramlar han omkull.
This is about capture radio on FM reception. I'm now listening to a FM station, the local program, and I add to it an FM signal from a signal generator. And you can see it very clearly, but it doesn't affect reception at all. And I increase by 1 dB, 1 more dB, and 1 more dB. Now we don't hear the speaking voice much anymore. So it's 56 dB, minus 56 dBm, and I go down to minus 58. So it is a very sharp threshold where one station wins over the other. Now I will change the bandwidth. Now I have set a much narrower bandwidth, 40 kilohertz, it was 250 before, and I switch on the signal generator and turn up the level. 1 dB, one more, one more. And I can still hear the voice pretty well, although the signal is very much stronger. And of course, you can see on the spectrum, most of the signal here falls outside the selected passband. And I have selected the passband for fairly large but perfectly acceptable distortion on the voice. And I can still copy this guy, what he's saying. I'm now using LeanRod, and I have set a 40 kilohertz bandwidth and have a fairly distorted audio, but perfectly possible to copy it. And I switch on the signal generator. And we can still hear reasonably well at the level of minus 45 dBm. And in LeanRod I can click on this mode of the FM. It is 0 now. And 1. And 2. And music is not suitable, so I make a pause here. YouTube tends to remove my voice when there is copyrighted music, so I have to wait for somebody speaking. And I click on this FM mode. And now it's a little bit better, a small difference. Very small differences. Now, if I increase the bandwidth, now the signal generator wins completely. And I try the different modes. Which doesn't make any difference, so I have to reduce the level. Here there starts to be some little interference from the local FM station. And I try the different modes. Now you can hear there is no interference anymore, and the signal generator is a pure, unperturbed signal, so I can reduce the level even more. like this. And the different modes. And here we have one signal. And I can copy reasonably well. And here I have mostly the signal generator. So these modes differ in that the detector is done in an instantaneous bandwidth. Mode 3 means 8 times narrower than the entire bandwidth. This is done by having Fourier transforms and picking with a bin resolution that is then 8 times narrower than the filter bandwidth here, and picking the free phase of the strongest signal. It doesn't make a big difference from what you have in the conventional FM detector that you have in the AirSpy, but sometimes maybe it could be a little difference that is enough to distinguish one desired transmission from something that is not so desired.